Welcome back to Tips and Tricks in Rivals 5. These are guns that can beat other guns. I'm better than you. Okay, so if you're dealing with an RPG, for example, when they rush close to you, and I'd recommend you to use sniper, crossbow. I recommend this. Look at my mouse. Okay, you look at it. These guns. Cause when they try and RPG you, imagine there's a guy coming close. You can do a great amount of damage to them, which is good. Or when they're trying to attack you, you can use a flare gun like this. It's gonna do more damage. Loads of damage actually. But if you use sniper, when they come close to you, you can do that. And if you're really experienced, this. Shoot. You can just snipe them from afar. Also, another thing you can do is that if somebody is using a weapon, if you fall out of the map, if you for some reason want to make your death slower, just crouch, look. Never mind, they fix that. But if someone is using sniper, this is a way to stop them. Or make them blind. So you're going to want to use flashbang and katana. So when they shoot at you, you can deflect it and it'll actually kill them. And when you use flashbang, it'll do this to them, which can stop them from sniping for a bit. Because they can do this amount of damage to you. Hold on, let me try something. You can also shoot through loads of people, because look. See, look at this. Look at that. Guns that I'd recommend if you're fighting a sniper, I recommend you don't use this. Gunblade, RPG, flamethrower, and close type weapons. As when you charge at them, they're gonna snipe you dead in the head. Especially if they're a pro, even if you do this, they'll probably snipe you in midair. Another tip, chicken rivals, is with bow. See, if you do this, it will do more damage with your bow. And after you charge it up and you can do, which can do loads of more damage. Look, that's 30 damage every 1 second or less. Flashbang is also nice. Also, if you also want to know another trick, I don't know, if this tip would really help you. What if you chuck something at someone and it's really precise, look. See? I literally did 2 damage to him. What the heck? Wait, what the? Okay, I don't know what happened, but if you chuck your utility at him, it'll actually do damage. things that don't work with this include medkit, freeze ray, subspace trip mine, jump pad, and warhorn. I haven't tested these out, so please do not judge me. But yes, you can damage them with this. And if you headshot them, it does 2 damage. So, imagine your... Okay, never mind. So, weapons I recommend for close combat tips are flamethrower. As you can do this in just 25 studs. Burn them. Or the closer you get, you can do burn damage. Or RPG, which could do this. Also, for close combat, I'd recommend not shorty, but shotgun as close as you get. And revolver is you can do with this. Yes, you can do fan fire. Literally, it's so cool. Like, ba 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 ba. Guns I'd recommend for fighting a sniper. No. Guns I'd recommend for fighting a paintballer. If they're using paintball, I recommend you use revolver, riot shield, and medkit. If you have these. Or the alternative. I'll explain why. The riot shield will take up your damage. Will take up the paintball gun shots. But also, the closer they get, the more damage they will do. And it's a really big risk if you use this one next. So you're going to want to go to the paintballer, click revolver or 2, and which will do quick damage and faster than the paintball gun, unless you are on low health, which is also why I use my kit. Okay. Another guns I also recommend are RPG and Molotov, as when they're using it, you can do this again. Which with good damage can do a lot. Or also if you're shielding and they're close, you can do this. Which can do a lot of damage. Which, yeah, of course it would do a lot of damage, genius. Okay, guys. Also, this is how to properly change your crosshair, which I didn't have enough time to show you in the last video. So you're going to want to go into settings. There will also be a separate video for this. Click crosshair and all of this will pop up. Anyway, see you in the next video. Like and subscribe. And that's it. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing.